Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Tensor art platform in order to generate photos from prompts. So I'll simply need to go to their website, that's tensor.art, and sign in, and here you can see some of the work that is generated previously by other users. And if I click on any of the images here, I can view all the images done by this user. Let's say, for example, I want to learn more about this one. And here is the negative prompt that is used and the sampler and all the information. So let's go ahead and go to home. And then I'll need to generate an image of like a puppy playing in a forest, for example, and then real-time generate. And of course, the more detailed your prompt is, the better. As you can see here, it generated an image which looks okay. And the more, as I told you, your prompt is detailed. So let me, for example, add more details. The puppy is white and forest has lots of trees, cartoon style. Okay, hit enter and it'll be generating. And here, as you can see, the I have more details and it matches the style even more. So you can go ahead and tweak your prompt even more to have the look that you want and have an image that satisfies you. And once you have, you can download it or save it to your workspace.